Hey, Rick from Gasoline Alley Toys and Antiques. Continuing on with our video series, tips and tricks of video decal and parts installation videos. Today we have a Buddy L piece from the 60s, and so often we have grills that look like this, all rusty, missing the bumpers and missing the flashers. So we're going to try to do this truck up today for you. First thing, when the grills look like this, no point trying to save them. We have replacement grills. See all the rust and pitting. Basically take your screwdriver, get it behind there, pry it out, cut your finger open, okay, pry it out, okay. New grill goes in the same way, okay. Two slots here, grill goes in there, okay. Slide it into the slots, push it in until you hear it click. There we go, okay. New grill in place. Plastic bumper's pretty simple. Two little hooks on top, the buttons on here. Hooks go in these holes, buttons go in these holes. This one's a little bit crooked, so we're going to fix that quick with the pliers. Straighten it out just a tad. Chances are if you've repainted the truck, you already have done that and straightened it a little bit. Okay, so you hook the tabs in at the top. Get them in. Okay, as you're bringing it down, this one goes into that slot right there. Push the white buttons through the bumper. There you go. Front end's good to go. Okay. Red roof flasher goes on the top. It's just a pressure fit. A lot of times this rib here will be all dented up and dinged. So one of the tips and tricks that I have, take a socket with an extension, the right size of the hole. You can push it up from the bottom through the hole, come up through, force it through if you need a hammer to pry a little bit. Okay. You widen that out, get the hole sitting out again. Okay. Use my socket in there. Kind of the way the whole day's gone so far. Okay. Then if you need to round it a little bit more to get some tension, if this is still too loose fitting on here, take the same socket, drop it out in the hole you just made. Kind of work it out a little bit in small semicircles. Okay. Once it goes on, you want a nice tight fit. Kind of half turn as you're putting it on. Roof flasher on, ready, good to go. Okay. Flat to the roof. So we got grill and bumper. Red roof flasher. We did the windshield in the prior video if you need to know how to do that. So Buddy L parts installed. You can find these parts available for sale at toydecals.com. Find us on Facebook, Gasoline Alley Toys and Antiques, gasolinealleytoys.com. Also has a link to the parts website. You can call the shop, Gasoline Alley Toys, at 608-519-2151. Thanks, have a good day.